Yun mga kabaka, Poland is frozen now. Look at the surroundings and the snow. It's hard to walk or riding on a bicycle or any cars. It's frozen. And look at the lake. It's crazy. This is how Poland create snow. The weather is very bad. Before this is a green city, but now it's almost white because of the snow. Look at the lake. It's cold, super cold. Look at my boots. The water is in icy water. Very cold. This place before is plenty of people. This is a tourist spot. This is water, and now it turns to ice. Very frozen Poland now. Poland, the great snow. Look at this. It's hard to walk. Even walking, it's hard. The trees, the surroundings, it's pretty beautiful. This is plenty of people before. Look at the lake, the water, it's icy now. So let's proceed. This is crazy. The playground of our children's. Look at this. I am the only vlogger who was here because I think this is the good time to check the best vlog. Look at the surroundings. It's plenty of ice. The trees. This is the playground of our children. During summer, plenty of children playing here, and now zero. I have seen deers jumping. Look at that. The playground. There's no people around here. Very cold part of Poland. I am walking in the sea of snow. Just look at that crazy weather, and my phone is icy now. Even my hands are bullied because of cold weather. Look at that. Look at that surroundings. Pretty beautiful. The ice and the playgrounds. Zero visibility because of the heavy snow, and even my jacket was frozen. It's hard to walk. Look at that. Look at that snow. Look at that. Very, very cold. I must cover the lens of my camera because it turns into ice. That's why it is blurred. Look at that. The water. Let's go here. Let's go this part. This is the lake. Before, this is crystal clear, and now it turns into icy. Very icy. Look at that. Frozen. Look at that. Very beautiful. This water is heavy in ice. Look at that. Pretty amazing. I don't know where the fish hiding. The water is icy. Very beautiful weather. This is the flowers now covered with ice. Let's go this part here. This is a wooden bridge. This is it. Very beautiful. Very beautiful white ice color.